Hold on, I'm having a breakdown. Navigating the world of real estate can be complex, especially when it comes to contingencies. One crucial contingency that's often overlooked is the septic system contingency. Septic contingencies are essential for any property that relies on a septic system. This contingency allows for a thorough inspection of the septic system, including all components and leaching fields by a qualified professional. Why is this important? A failing septic system can result in significant repair costs and potential health hazards. You know an inspection is important when it's a requirement from a lender to get approved. In the state of Washington, the seller is required to pump and inspect the septic system on their dime within 15 days of mutual acceptance. Then the county will provide the seller with an on-site sewage system report. If any issues are discovered during the inspection, the buyer can negotiate repairs with the seller, ask for a credit or a price reduction, or even walk away from the deal without penalty. This is one contingency you don't want to waive. It is not just about the property, it's about the health and well-being too. In real estate, understanding contingencies like these can make all of the difference. Stay informed and protect your investment.